Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Free. As you can see the title of the video, we're doing a drugstore makeup tutorial because you can look flawless just using drugstore products. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm back. I already did my eyebrows offline. Today we're going to do something different. I normally do my foundation first, but I'm not doing that technique. I'm doing my eyes first and then my foundation. So let's get started with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Milani eyeshadow base as my primer today. I'm just going to take it and just apply it to my eyelid. And you want to take your favorite blending brush, whatever brush you got, girl, and you just want to, blend this out onto your eyelid. I'm looking over here because I'm trying to find my brush. Alright, I'm just going to take this brush and blend this primer out onto my eyelid. This eye primer reminds me of the Urban Decay eyeshadow base. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Hard Candy palette. Y'all, look how small it is, y'all. It's so cute. So we're going to use this shade right here. And we're going to use that as our transition color. And then I'm just going to place it doing windshield wiper motion, forth and back and forth, circular motions. And I'm placing this color above my crease. I have more like a deep set eye space. So that means that my crease is prominent. My eyelid pushes in and my crease pushes out. So I'm just blending that above my crease. Back and forth, forth and back and forth and back. I like it like that. She working that back. Don't know how to act slow motion for me. Slow motion. I don't know why I always sing that song when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So I'm going to keep adding until I'm satisfied with the color payoff. Okay, next we're going to take this color right here and we're going to use that color just to deepen up that crease. And I'm going to actually put that color in my crease. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap that color on first and then I'm going to use circular motion to blend it out. Tap, 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 and blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to use that same transition color that we used first and I'm going to take that transition color to blend out that deeper color. And I'm just using circular motions. Because we're working with shimmery eyeshadow, I like to use my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to use this so that the eyeshadow can pop, baby, like bling, 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 bling. Every time I come around the corner, bling, bling. I forgot how that song goes. I'm just going to take a brush. I'm just going to apply this onto my eyelid. We're going to take this like grayish purple shade and we're going to put this onto our eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, this lighter shade, and I'm just going to put that in my tear duct just to make my eyeshadow pop more. Just like that. So how we looking? Y'all liking it? Okay, I'm telling you, it's going to be bomb once I add the eyeliner and the lashes. Baby, I'm going to be using my gel liquid liner from e.l.f. Let's go ahead and do our phase. I'm going to color correct to neutralize that darkness, because I don't like for my foundation around here to be gray. I'm using my Maybelline color corrector in the shade orange, and I'm just going to color correct right here, add some here, add some right here. I don't know where these dark marks come from. Definitely around here, because I'm real dark around here, y'all. And right here with my little mustache. And I'm just going to blend this out. I apologize. I forgot to tell you guys, I have already moisturized my skin and I end up using the e.l.f. Grip Matte Primer. Today for foundation, we're going to be using the Maybelline 30 Hour Wear Lumi Matte. I end up buying the shade 368, so hopefully this is my shade. This is my first time wearing this foundation, testing this foundation out, so I hope it gives what it's supposed to give, y'all. Oh, it's so watery. Look how watery it is, y'all. Okay. Oh Lord, okay, so, let's see. It might be a tad bit too dark for me, but guess what? I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna use my Morphe Contingent Spray. And then I'm gonna blend this out. Y'all, I mean, this foundation, I see what you're doing for the girls, Maybelline. And I think this is a pretty match for me, y'all. What y'all think? Comment below and let me know if you guys think this is a great match. I end up using the shade 368. I think it's good. Okay? Okay, girls, you know what time it is. Let's bronze up the skin. I'm going to be taking the bronzer in Milani in the shade Cheek Kiss. We're going to bring some more warmth back to the skin. It's time to highlight, you know what I'm saying? So I'm using my Maybelline Eraser Concealer, and this is the shade, don't get me to lie, I'm gonna leave it somewhere on the screen. Let's try this e.l.f. blush. It might not show up on me, so we're gonna see what it does. Let's see what it does, y'all. Let's see what it do. It did a little something, something. It did a little something, something. Let's add a little bit more. Let's take out Morphe Contingent Spray again. And we're going to blend out this concealer. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 220 just to set my concealer. And I'm going to use this beauty blender. So everywhere I put that concealer is where I'm using this powder at. Next, I'm going to be using my black opal in the shade Deep just to set everywhere else. This is a pretty color, y'all. And I'm gonna use the butt of the beauty blender to set all those other places. Okay. The base is given. I'm gonna use that same powder, the air sponge powder, just to bake under my eyes. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution bronzer. This bronzer is amazing, y'all. Blush palette is from Makeup Is My Life Cosmetics, and we're going to be using this shade right here. It's time to spray the face, and I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting spray. For lip gloss, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Brown Sugar. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Plumping Gloss in the shade, yeah, I don't know what shade this is. I'm sorry. Here's the finished look. I hope you ladies love this look. Like I said, you can always achieve a flawless look with drugstore products. This came out so pretty, y'all.